Hi everyone, it is time for our very last video from our festive food page, which is a little bit sad, but you know, we will have another series coming tomorrow or another page. I'm not sure if it'll be a whole series, I've no idea. But we have this really interesting, I think it's like a trifle. It looks like a trifle to me to colour today. So I'm going to start right away with what I think on the top look like strawberries. I'm going to use the scarlet red and colour them in. I'm just getting going with it because there's so many little bits. I think it's fun just to get started. And I'm just doing them quite hard. I want them to stand out and not worrying about shading because they're so close together. Okay, now what do you think these are? Peas? Blueberries. We've got a few blueberries on this page. I'm going to use my mauve and do those. I know I haven't done the green on the strawberries. I'm just getting excited and carried away. I'm trying to do them so they're darker on the outside and leave a lighter bit in the middle. When they're so small, it's really tricky. And I'm looking at, we've got things inside as well, but we'll leave those for now. I'm getting too excited looking at all the different bits and I need to slow myself down. Let's do the strawberry tops. Let's do permanent green for those. Now we'll put a little bit of shine on the fruit at the end. Now I'm trying to keep in mind that this should be looking festive. I'm going to leave this sort of cream or custard or whatever it is. I'm going to do all the... Yeah. No, I won't. I'll do it... I'm going to do that cream in an ivory colour because we might have some slightly darker cream to do in a bit. I'll just do that layer like that. And then what have we got here, do you think? Cherries? Should we do them as cherries? We'll use the madder. Just do some nice red ones. From the shape I feel like I should be identifying what they are, but I can't, so they are going to be cherries. I'm just going to skip down and do these. Now I'm thinking, do they look like pineapple chunks? I think they do a little bit. What colour's pineapple? What about this colour? What is this? Light yellow glaze. I've got a Christmas song going around in my head. I'm not going to sing it. And we've got the Swiss roll, so I'm going to sort of put in the layers of pudding. We'll do that Swiss roll cake first. Now it's cake, so I'm going to make it the brown ochre colour, but I'm going to do it really lightly because I want to put another colour on top of it. Needs jam. Swiss roll has a red jam in it. So I'm going to grab my madder again and just go on the inside of the curl and put in the jam. It's very important, you can't not have the jam. Now I'm imagining this is sitting in the layer of jelly and I'm going to colour it in really lightly with the madder so it sort of matches with what we've done already, like that. In fact, it probably needs to be a bit darker. I think jelly would look more like that. It wouldn't look sort of pale. There's some jelly. Next I'm going to do a layer of creamy custard. I'm going to use this, which is the light chrome yellow. And I'm also going to do a layer of that behind these. It's still not looking very Christmassy, is it? But still, maybe it won't. Okay, now behind the pineapple, I'm thinking maybe there's some green jelly. Leaf green. Again, quite a hard layer. This looks quite like lime jelly, which is good. Now we need something between here and here. I'm thinking cream. Wow, that's quite indulgent, isn't it? We need to do our goblet, and I'm thinking maybe if we do some silver touches to the stem and then some glass. It's going to be tricky because we're going to have to use the greys, but let's use cold grey 6 for our silver. So I'm going to put it here, fade towards the centre, fade it down so it really shines, and the same on this bit, like that. Let's try this. Let's try making a little gold bit in between those two. Here, try and put that down quite hard on the edge, less in the middle. And then we'll make the rest glass with our cold grey 3. And here, put it on a bit dark on the outside. Under there, and do sort of shine in the middle. And then for the glass itself, I'm thinking dark here, shine on the centre part there. So just fade it towards the middle, make this corner really dark, and then fade towards the centre of here as well. There we go. Now let's get our white pen and add some finishing touches. So this is my Gellyroll 8. I should probably be using the 5, but some of it needs the 8. Just putting a little dot on the edge of these to make them look shiny. And here. Probably on the edge of the jelly. And maybe a few bits on the glass. My last trick is a white pencil, really sharp. Ooh, my pencils are rolling away. So this is our white. I'm trying the Polychromos one, and I want to go over that inside line there to fade it a bit to make it look more glassy. Don't have to do this last bit. It really has a very, very small impact. But it's just, can you hear the rain blowing against my window? And all the way around. There. I think it makes a difference. You may not, but I like doing it anyway. So there is our very non-festive. I think I'm going to call that a layered pudding, because although it is like a trifle, we've already got one called a trifle. So I'm going to call it a layered pudding. So that is the end of our page. Shall I show you the whole page? Let's zoom out. Let me just move my book a little bit into shot so that it's a bit better for you. Sorry, I can't do it with... You can start to see how messy my desk is. There we go. There is the whole page. Hang on. If I hold up the other page, it lies a little bit flatter so you can see it better. So there is our finished page of treats. So I hope you had fun with that. I did. But it's another page completed in the book, which I seem to be getting through pages quite quickly. If there is a page you want me to do, either in this book or any of others of Johanna's books or any other book, let me know. If I forgot the book and I haven't done the page, then I will see what I can do for you. But as I always say, thank you for watching. I do really appreciate it. If you could drop a like, if you could subscribe, that's brilliant. It really helps more people to see the channel, which is something that I really love, to make sure everybody knows how fun colouring is. Yeah, so thank you. Have a really lovely day and happy colouring.